Hi friends, in this session we'll start with this buffer solution. चैप्टर नंबर 7 एसिड बेस पार्ट के अंदर और आगे बढ़ेंगे. आज के सेशन में डिस्कशन करेंगे बफर सॉल्यूशन. नाउ दिस बफर वर्ड इज रियली वेरी कॉमन इन डे टू डे लाइफ. You also see that many a times while playing a YouTube, you found buffering. Buffer is highly used in this biological system also. So हमें सबसे पहले बफर क्या है वो समझना है. नेक्स्ट कौन कौन से टाइप के बफर सॉल्यूशन होते हैं, मीन्स एसिडिक बफर, बेसिक बफर. एंड थर्ड, व्हाट आर द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ बफर. बफर कहाँ कहाँ यूज होता है. So in this session we'll start with the buffer solution. Let's take one example first and then we'll discuss buffer. Now you are prepare 1 liter of 1 molar HCl solution. I repeat my words. You prepare in chemistry laboratory 1 liter 1 molar solution and suddenly somebody add 1 test tube of NaOH in it, then your concentration is disturbed. While in case उल्टा भी हो सकता है, you prepare 1 molar 1 liter of NaOH solution and somebody add HCl in it, थोड़ा सा, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, little bit quantity भी उसके अंदर ऐड कर लेते हैं, तो आपकी मोलारिटी चेंज हो जाएगी. Now it's no more 1 molar solution. But if you add buffered solution in it, then you can measure the pH does not going to change. Means buffer solution has tendency to suddenly add acid into the basic solution and base into acidic solution. So let's start what actually means by buffer solution. A solution whose pH is not altered to any great extent by addition of small quantity of either strong acid or strong base. That is a typo error. It's a strong acid or strong base is called buffer solution. Once again, the emphasis on word small quantity. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके अंदर 500 ml आपने NaOH डाल दिया सर अब तो pH obviously change हो जाएगा. I'm talking about very small quantity. It can also be defined as a solution of reverse acidity or alkalinity which resists the change of pH upon the addition of small amount of acid or alkali. So this is all about your buffer solution. Types of buffer solution, basically 2 types of buffer solution. Obviously one is acidic and another is basic. So let's start. Solution of a single substances. Many a type. There are 2 types of solution. This is solution of a single substances. The solution of salt of weak acid and weak base. Example is ammonium acetate. It is really very good buffer solution. Or NH4CN act as a buffer. Second, solution of a mixture. Once again, it's subdivided into 2 categories. That is acidic buffer and basic buffer. Now what actually means by acidic buffer? It is the solution of a mixture of a weak acid and a salt of weak acid with a strong base. That is CH3COOH plus CH3COONA. Sodium acetate and acetic acid का mixture is the best example of acidic buffer solution. तो ये acetic acid हुआ weak acid and सोडियम एसीटेट हो गया विथ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. NaOH के साथ जब रिएक्शन करोगे तो यहां से H निकल जाएगा, NaOH में से OH निकलेगा एंड व्हाट यू गेट सोडियम एसीटेट. तो एसिटिक एसिड एंड सोडियम एसीटेट कॉम्बिनेशन इज नोन एज वेरी गुड एसिडिक बफर सॉल्यूशन. Opposite to that, basic buffer. It is the solution of a mixture of a weak base, that is NH4OH, and the salt of this weak base with a strong acid. जस्ट इससे उल्टा, वीक बेस हो गया NH4OH एंड NH4Cl कैसे बना होगा? NH4OH when treated with HCl. So यहां से OH, HCl से H. So you get NH4Cl. So NH4OH plus NH4Cl is a very good basic buffer solution. So many a time in school examination 2-marker question definitely gonna ask what actually means by buffer solution. Give one example of acidic and basic buffer solution. तो एसिडिक बफर सॉल्यूशन का एग्जांपल CH3COOH प्लस CH3COONA. बेसिक बफर हो जाएगा NH4OH प्लस NH4Cl. So buffer definition and these two example will leads to give you 2 marks. Second point, buffer action. Buffer action is the mechanism by which the add H plus ion or OH minus ion are almost neutralized, so that pH practically remains constant. Reversed, base of this buffer neutralize added H plus ion, while the reversed acid of buffer neutralize added of OH minus. Means acidic buffer solution के अंदर सडनली अगर बेस आप डाल देते हो दैट इज NaOH, तो ये जो एसिटिक एसिड है वहां से OH और एसिटिक एसिड में से H और NaOH में से OH. Once again एसिटिक एसिड में से H and NaOH में से OH, H2 निकल गया and then Na react over here, you get CH3COONA. So we already have CH3COONA over here. So pH पे जनरली कोई ज्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. मान लीजिए बेसिक बफर सॉल्यूशन डाला हुआ है, सडनली कोई एसिड डाल देता है, एसिड का मतलब HCl. जैसे ही इस बफर के अंदर HCl गिरता है स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में, तो HCl में से H and NH4OH में से H NOH H2O means water and NH4Cl बन जाएगा, which does not affect the pH. So इसीलिए बफर एक्शन में क्या बताया हुआ है, added small quantity of H plus and OH minus is almost neutralized, so that pH practically remains constant. Perfect, and reverse the case. Now few more examples discussion करते हैं. बफर के और भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है. Let's start discussing few more example of buffer. Phthalic acid and potassium hydrogen thalate is one more example. Citric acid and sodium citrate, boric acid and borax. चैप्टर नंबर 10 एस ब्लॉक के अंदर हमने पढ़ा था ये. कार्बोनिक एसिड एंड सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट दैट इज H2CO3 plus NaHCO3. This system found in a blood and help the pH of this blood close to 7.4. सी बॉडी के अंदर ये पाया जाता है H2CO3 plus NaHCO3. So the pH value of human blood lies between 7.36 to 7.42. Na2HPO4 plus Na3PO4, Na2HPO4 plus Na2HPO4, glycerin plus HCl and many more examples are available in day-to-day life. आप कम से कम 3 या 4 डिफरेंट बफर याद रखिए. दिस थैलिक एंड पोटेशियम हाइड्रोजन थैलेट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. साइट्रिक एसिड वाला, कार्बोनिक एसिड वाला एक याद रख लीजिए, बोरिक एंड बोरेक्स वाला. सो 3 या 4 एग्जाम्पल अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. परफेक्ट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर बफर. सो बफर के ऊपर से हेंडरसन एंड हेजलबैच इक्वेशन एक डिराइव्ड हुआ कि वो किस हिसाब से पीएच को मेंटेन कर रहा है. दैट इक्वेशन इज नोन एज हेंडरसन-हेजलबैच इक्वेशन. सो लेट्स डिस्कस हेंडरसन-हेजलबैच इक्वेशन. pH of an acidic or basic buffer can be calculated by this equation. Equation कौन सा है? pH is equal to pKa plus log salt upon acid. When salt upon acid is equal to 10, so pH is equal to 1 pKa. Obviously log 10 base 10 is 1, so 1 plus pKa हो जाएगा pH. But when salt upon acid is 1 upon 10, then pH is equal to pKa minus 1. Obviously this is 1 upon 10, 10 to the power minus 1, तो वो ऊपर चला जाएगा, that's why it's minus 1. So weak acid may be used for preparing buffered solution having the pH values lies between the range of pKa plus 1 or pKa minus 1. It's commonly known as pKa plus or minus 1. The acetic acid of pKa about is 4.8. It may be therefore using or making the buffered solution of pH lying roughly between 3.8 to 5.8. So this is all about your acidic. So basically buffered solution से highest change pH का प्लस और माइनस 1 हो सकता है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं होगा. Likewise basic buffer का एग्जांपल हमने पढ़ा था NH4OH, NH4Cl. So POH is equal to PKB plus log salt upon base. डिफरेंस क्या है? यहाँ पे है salt upon acid. देखिए this is the equation. pH is equal to pKa. Why? Because we are discussing acid plus log salt upon acid. Here in case POH is equal to pKb. Why? Because we are discussing a base, log salt upon base. Knowing POH, pH can be calculated by application of formula pH plus POH is equal to 14. So pH of a buffered solution does not change with this dilution, but it varies with this temperature because the value of Kw change with the temperature. So this is all about your buffer solution, varieties of buffer solution, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. एक छोटा सा टॉपिक है जो थोड़ा सा कॉम्पिटिटिव के काम में भी आएगा, that is buffer capacity. That is not available in your textbook, but it is used for your competitive purpose. तो एक छोटा सा टॉपिक देख लेते हैं सबसे पहले, buffer capacity. So what actually means by buffer capacity? The property of a buffer solution to resist the alternation in pH value known as buffer capacity. It has been found that if the ratio of salt upon acid in case of acidic buffer or salt upon base in case of basic buffer is unity, the pH of the particular buffer does not change at all. So the buffer capacity is defined quantitatively as the number of moles of acid or base add into this 1 liter of the solution to change the pH by unity. Once again, what actually means by buffer capacity? Buffer capacity is defined quantitatively as the number of moles of acid or base add in a 1 liter of solution to change the pH by unity. That is, buffer capacity is always denoted by phi, number of moles of acid or base add to this 1 liter divided by change in pH. Thus, greater the buffer capacity, the greater its capacity to resist the change in pH value. Buffer capacity is greatest when this change in a concentration of salt or weak acid or base are equal, or when pH is equal to pKa or POH is equal to pKb. Once again, this buffer capacity topic is not available in your textbook, but it is useful for your competitive examination is concerned. Next, application. So significance of buffer solution or application. Buffer solutions are used for comparing the colorimetry. Colorimetry is the instrumentation by which you can find out the hydrogen ion concentration of this unknown solution. Acetic acid and sodium acetate is used in a removal of phosphate radical during this qualitative analysis of a mixture. NH4Cl and NH4OH buffer is used for the preparation of hydroxide of third group of qualitative analysis. In practical, we have a salt analysis. In salt analysis, जब भी आप प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करोगे तो थर्ड ग्रुप के प्रेसिपिटेट गिराने के लिए in salt solution we have to add first NH4Cl and then NH4OH to precipitate third group element present in it. In industries, buffer solutions are used in alcoholic fermentation, that is pH approximately 5 to 6.5, tanning of leather, electroplating, manufacturing of sugar, paper manufacturing, etc. So these are the wide application available in case of industries. So varieties of application available in industry. In bacteriological research, culture, media are generally buffered to maintain the pH required for the growth of this bacteria being studied. जो लोग बायोलॉजी बिलोंग्स कर रहे हैं उन लोगों को ये पता होगा, बायोलॉजी के प्रैक्टिकल के लिए भी ग्रोथ ऑफ बैक्टीरिया के लिए मीडिया और कल्चर प्रिपेयर करना होता है, उसके लिए भी स्पेसिफिक पीएच बफर सॉल्यूशंस बनाना पड़ता है. इन बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम द बफर सिस्टम ऑफ दिस कार्बोनिक एसिड एंड सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज फाउंड इन आवर ब्लड. इट इज मेंटेन द पीएच ऑफ ब्लड टू अ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू दैट इज 7.4 in spite of various acid and base producing these reactions going in our body. So these are the applications of buffered solution. So this is all about your today's session. इस सेशन के अंदर हमने डिटेल डिस्कस किया व्हाट एक्चुअली मीन्स बाय बफर, टाइप्स ऑफ बफर, बफर कैपेसिटी के बारे में डिस्कशन किया, हेंडरसन हेज़लबैच इक्वेशन पढ़ा, एंड लास्ट इज ऑल अबाउट द यूजेस ऑफ बफर सॉल्यूशन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर टुडेज सेशन. नेक्स्ट सेशन के अंदर हम के एंड के बी के कुछ न्यूमेरिकल चेक करने वाले हैं. थैंक यू.